I've just bought a Honda Grom. Three kilometers on the clock. I best get a bit of fuel. This is nice, smooth, comfortable. Jeez, the gear change seems a bit low, but whatever. I'll get used to it. I like the sound already. Stock exhaust. Jesus, delighted with that. First bit of filtering now on the Grom. Well, a Honda Grom beats a Ford Mondeo off the line. Oh, so comfortable. Might be able to learn how to get the knee down on this. Get a bit of fuel in here. So I've one bar. We'll see how much it costs to fill her up. Oh, doesn't come off. It's just on a hinge. Premium. Fuck. Splashing out. 4.5 litres. 861 to fill it. Huh? Some job. Oh, look at it. Good thing about this bike, it's nice and small. And I'll squeeze pretty much everywhere. Oh, she's been in an accident. I think she's after hitting something, did she? I was gonna help push, but it looks like she hit something.
Someone with her anyway. He's on the phone. What I was gonna say to him is to push it in there.
Yeah, but just I was gonna get off and push, but maybe because they hit something now, they're not moving. Yeah.
There is someone here and we can go.
Yeah, shall we leave him off? Good luck. Oh, there's the Ferris wheel, they moved it. Might have to get smaller mirrors. King John's Castle. I'd like to be heating that. Just a lad with the dogs. Sound. Just got it.
How much?
4-4.
How fast?
It will do 100 kilometers. I don't know how much more it will do. I haven't tried yet. It'll do the speed limit anyway, won't it? I wanted an MT-07, but they're out of stock everywhere, so I chose the next best thing. No, I don't know, I didn't really want anything else. I didn't want one of them Suzuki SVs for the same money as an MT. This is only 4.4. And it's a great little bike. Probably won't even want to sell it now or trade it in. I'll probably end up keeping it. I need smaller mirrors though. Gonna end up doing a lot of mods to it probably. What a great yoke to go around cars. I could do this all day. A bit tight up at the bus. Probably would have fitted around that bus, to be fair. Can't wait to try wheelie this thing. I really want to give it the beans, but I better not. Only 19 kilometers on it. I don't want to get a speeding ticket now either, do I? Where am I going to go for food? Lana. Class. I'm really enjoying this. Yeah. Thought he was gonna come over the hedge. Oh.